Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be using a used braided hair and I'm going to totally transform it from this to this. Ooh girl, so beautiful. So if you want to see how I made this, then you should enjoy this video. And now let's begin. So to start with, I'm going to start by combing out the hair. So I'm going to gently comb out the hair until it's ready to be used. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is to pick out a little portion of hair. By the time I do this, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to use the crochet. So I'm going to be crocheting this hair on my hairnet. So it doesn't really matter what kind of hairnet you're using, but I chose to use this because I like this and I find it totally easy to use. So just like you see in the video, that is how I installed the hair on the hairnet. So watch and see closely how it is done. So easy and so nice. So we've come a long way, guys, and just like you see in the video, that is how fast it was for me, because this whole crochet thing took me less than 20 minutes to do. So it is very fast and it is very easy to do. So yeah, I used a tiny crochet pin at the front part because the holes at the front is smaller and it is not as flexible as the back holes. In case you're using this kind of net, then I advise you use a tiny crochet pin at the front part. And here we have it, guys. This is what it looks like. So now I'm going to be combing this out. As you can see, guys, it's looking so full, but that shouldn't be a problem, because at the end of the day, guys, I had my hair looking so scanty that I had to add some hair at the front. So in case you're trying this out and you notice the hair is full like this, do not bother. As a matter of fact, you can even add as much hair in case you like a fuller hair. It is totally not a problem at all. So now that I'm done with this, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add up my closure. So yeah, I made the video on how to make a closure, guys. In case you don't know how to do that, then you can always check out that video. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box and up here, so you can always check that out. It is very easy to do and it is beginner friendly, so you can check that out and you can always learn. So in case you know how to do your closure, let's just move on. So right now I'm going to be installing my closure. So in installing your closure, you want to make sure you are bringing it a little bit further away from the cap, just like you see in the video. And after installing the closure, I'm going to sew it down, cut out the hair, and I'm going to see you soon. So next I'm going to be doing is to add in my leave-in conditioner, a handful amount of oil, and then I'm going to go over with hot water. So you want to make sure you are going on with an extreme hot water, probably a boiling water. So next I'm going to be doing is to put in the hair, and then I'm going to leave it in for at least a few minutes or a few seconds to chill out into the water before I bring it out. So as you can see, I'm trying to avoid the closure part from being inside the water, because in case you haven't seen that video yet, I already did all of this treatment to the closure, so I do not want to repeat it. But in case you are doing everything, try as much as you can to make sure the closure doesn't, the hot water doesn't touch the closure. So yeah, guys, this is partially dried and this is what it looks like. It looks so good, right? Well, it is so beautiful, guys. So now, guys, moving on to the next part. So here I'm trying to show you two areas of the hair. One is slightly flatter than the other. So I'm trying to show you what it will look like when your hair is flat ironed and what it will look like when it is just in. So hope you are getting the difference now, guys. The other part looks so flat and the other part look slightly puffy. So if you want to get a more flatter look, then you should definitely flat iron the hair, so it's going to make it look flatter. So I started by combing the hair out, and then I just flat ironed it in a middle. So I just flat ironed the hair in a medium heat, and this is how it turned out. So this is what it looks like after it's been stretched, and as you can see, it is looking so beautiful. So now I'm going to be installing the cap on my hair. So I quickly added powder to the net area, and now I'm going to be cutting out the excess part of the net. So it looks like it is so beautiful, guys. Now I'm going to be wearing this, and you're going to see how it is looking. This is what it looks like. It is so beautiful. So looking from where we started, I wasn't really expecting this hair to turn out this beautiful. As a matter of fact, guys, one good thing about this hair is that it doesn't even tangle. So that is really a big plus for this hairstyle. So I went ahead to quickly just roll up the tips of the hair with my flexi rod. So I'm going to be leaving that video. I'm going to be making a separate video on it in case you want to see it, and just kindly subscribe to the channel. So yeah, I just combed the hair out, and this is what it looks like. So guys, as you can see, it is so beautiful. It can be combed and it can be styled in whichever way you want. So I did not even apply gel to the hair. As you can see, it is looking so beautiful. Well, we achieved what we aim to achieve, and I definitely love it, and I'm sure as you're watching this now, you love this. So guys, that is me saying thank you for watching. I love you all. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave your beautiful comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. One more look at how the wig looks like.